Lily, come here. Look at our beautiful roast chicken.
Mom, it is not beautiful. It is completely black.
Oh no, I left it in the oven for too long.
It looks like a dark, hard rock.
We cannot eat a rock for dinner, Mom.
Dad is coming home from work soon.
You are right. This black chicken is ruined. Let's drive to the big supermarket right now.
Yes, we can buy new and delicious food.
Grab the large reusable bag, Lily.
We need to buy healthy things for Dad's dinner.
This empty cart is so big. Where do we go first?
First, we go to the fresh produce section. We need to buy vegetables for our salad.
Yuck. I do not like vegetables, Mom. They taste boring. They are green. I only like sweet food.
Vegetables are very important, Lily. They give you vitamins. Vitamins help your body grow tall and strong.
Okay, here is a big green lettuce. I have 3 round red tomatoes. Why do we need them?
Lettuce has a lot of water for your body.
Tomatoes are very good for your heart. They keep it pumping strong and healthy.
I have the lettuce and tomatoes. Do we need brown onions too? They make people cry.
Yes, grab 2 onions. Onions give a delicious flavor. They fight bad germs in your stomach.
Fine, the onions are in the cart. But carrots are hard and crunchy. Why eat them?
Carrots are very good for your eyes. They help you see better.
Put 6 orange carrots in the shopping cart.
Okay, I have the carrots. What about these little green trees? This broccoli?
Broccoli is excellent for your health. It gives you energy. Energy means the power inside your body to run and play.
I want to play all day. Look, the green broccoli is next to the carrots now.
Good girl. Now we need protein. Let's walk to the big refrigerators for meat.
Are we buying red beef or a whole chicken again?
We need a whole chicken. Chicken has a lot of protein. Protein helps build strong muscles in your arms and legs.
A chicken is faster to cook too. Here is a fresh whole chicken.
Let's keep walking. We need to visit the dairy aisle now. We need foods made from milk.
Wow, this glass door is heavy. Why do we need milk and yellow cheese?
Milk and cheese have calcium. Calcium makes your bones and your teeth very hard and strong.
Oh, I want strong teeth to bite apples. I have a large white bottle of milk.
Perfect. We have a very healthy shopping cart.
Now let's go to the front of the store to pay.
Okay. Oh, Mom, your shoe is untied. The shoelace is loose.
Let me just bend down to fix my shoe.
Careful, Mom. Your open brown purse is falling down.
Oops. My bag fell on the hard floor. My keys, phone, and makeup are everywhere.
I am very clumsy today. Clumsy means I am dropping things and making mistakes.
Do not worry, Mom. I will help you put everything back inside the brown purse.
Thank you, Lily. Everything is inside, and the purse is closed.
Wait. We are near the tall freezers. Can we please buy a cold dessert?
We are in a very big hurry, Lily. Dad is arriving soon.
Just one box of vanilla ice cream? I promise to eat all my healthy broccoli tonight.
Okay, fine, but grab it super fast. We must pay right now so the ice cream does not melt.
Yay! I have the white vanilla ice cream. Let's run to the checkout line.
Hello. Good afternoon. You have a very full cart today. Please put all the food on the black belt.
Yes, we are buying chicken, broccoli, carrots, onions, milk, and ice cream.
Your total is $90. Will you pay with cash or a credit card? I will pay with my credit card. Let me open my brown purse to get it.
Mom, the vanilla ice cream box is sweating. The supermarket is very warm.
Wait, my hands are empty. I am looking inside my bag. My red leather wallet is not here. Are you ready to pay, ma'am? The line behind you is waiting.
Excuse me, we are in a hurry. Pay for your food so we can leave.
Mom, the vanilla ice cream is dripping on the black metal belt. Drip, drip. It is turning into water.
I do not understand. I put everything back in my bag when it fell. Let me check my blue jacket pockets. Ma'am, the white ice cream is making a sticky mess. If you cannot pay, I will cancel your items. Please give me one more minute. I need to feed my family. I am looking for my money.
Emma! Lily! Over here.
Dad? What are you doing here at the grocery store?
I came home from work early. The kitchen was full of smoke, and the chicken was black.
Oh no, I am so sorry. But how did you find us?
I knew you were buying new food. And look what I found sitting on the kitchen table at home.
Oh my goodness, my red leather wallet. I forgot it at home. I did not lose it earlier.
Exactly. Do not worry, I will pay for the groceries. Here is my credit card.
Finally, swipe the plastic card and take your bags. We want to go home.
Payment approved. Here is your long paper receipt, sir. Please take your food. Thank you so much, honey. You saved us.
Let's go home. Wait, look at the big store clock. It is 8 o'clock at night. We are very late.
And the new chicken is raw. Raw means it is not cooked at all. It takes 2 hours to bake in the oven.
2 hours? I am too hungry to wait 2 hours.
What are we gonna eat for dinner tonight, then?
I am ordering a large pepperoni pizza on my phone right now.
Yay! Pizza for dinner! But what about the melted vanilla ice cream?
We will put it in the freezer at home. It will get cold and hard again before dessert.
I loved going to the supermarket today.
Have you ever ordered a pizza instead of a healthy dinner?
Tell us your funny cooking stories in the comments below.
Hit like and subscribe for more wild family adventures.